Alright, g'day everybody, welcome to Lawnporn, get your lawn on. Today Heidi and I are at Heidi's school and I'm going to introduce you to a new project. So, you probably remember me a couple of months ago. I did a video about the oval. The oval's all the way out there. There's also a secondary project here. Now, cut a long story short, we've measured out the oval for a 80 metre one way, 65 metre the other way oval. So, but that's as far as it's got because the contractor that's doing all the excavation out there hasn't started yet. But there's also this side bit, which is the going to be the senior school area, and Heidi's going to really enjoy that because you're in high school next year, aren't you?
Yes, I am, and
yeah.
definitely.
Yeah, so the landscaper, he's done a fantastic job here, and I'm just going to introduce you to the area and show you what I'm going to be doing as part of the project. So this area here is going to be the seniors area, which Heidi will be enjoying next year for sure. The paved bit is just really fantastic. It's
and there's
it's really good, isn't it, Heidi?
Foursquare when you play the ball.
Yeah, play Foursquare. So they've done fantastic work here. So there's also a wall that goes around here. It goes around this tree, obviously, and all the way through here. So all this area here now, like from here and everything in here, all the way through here, all the way through here, and all the way through here is going to be TifTuf turf. This is the area that I'm going to be irrigating and doing here. So I'm going to get the drone up in a second and take a picture of it, and I'm going to measure this out with Heidi. She's going to help me, aren't you, baby?
Yes, I am, definitely.
Yeah, and it's recording now.
Okay, we're just going to fly the drone now. Look at that, guys!
That's so good, isn't it?
That is the best drone I ever seen.
Alright, we'll go.
So where are you going to take the drone?
We're going to go up in the sky with it.
Hey,
So
look,
good.
drones are really good, aren't they?
They are. Getting the drone to take an aerial shot is the best way to get a scale diagram, I reckon. I'll measure it all up and put all the information on this diagram and send it into Reece Irrigation so I can get my irrigation plan done. Now the oval, nothing's really happening with that at the moment. Can't really do anything till we get the contractors in, and they shouldn't be too far away. It's going to look excellent because it's right next to where people come in and out of Port Augusta. And if I just turn the corner around here, you get a bit of a perspective of where it sits in the landscape. Okay, it's not going to be as high as the perspective of the drone, but you know, I don't want to get in the way of the cars. I'm going to draw a little mud map of my area just for my measurements. Kind of goes like that.
Yep.
Doesn't it? It kind of goes like that.
Yeah. Measuring right now, as you can see. Look at that.
1.8 metres. Then we'll do this one now. 5.3.
5.3? Yep.
Oh look, there's a nice bit for the shed.
Yeah.
The shed.
I think I'm going to have a shed.
7.8.
7.8.
Yes. 4 metres 30.
4 metres 30, that's it.
4.3 metres.
Yeah, I think
9.2.
9.2, yep. That's long, isn't it?
Yep. And just for the camera. There we go. A little mud map of the area.
Yeah.
So here's the still, and I did a bit of mucking around in Photoshop and did this. I had to guesstimate a little bit with the tree, but you get the idea, and that's what I'll send in to Reece Irrigation. Now there's a few issues which I'll talk about in the next video, but once we get that design back from Reece Irrigation, we'll do a video of the irrigation and talk more about this area and how I'm going to deal with it.
Hi. Well, thanks for watching with our lawn porn video. That wraps up today, and you can, if you want, you can follow us on Facebook and YouTube. And I hope you have a wonderful day and wonderful Saturday, and get your lawn on.
Get your lawn on.